Use origami paper and buttons to make this sweet bouquet that never gets old. They're easy to make, so let me show you how. For this project, you will need small origami paper or other square paper, floral wire, a button, double stick tape, pliers, thick white craft glue, and scissors. Begin by fan folding each piece of paper. You want to make a relatively thin fold, but the important thing is to make sure that you're folding them all with the same size of fold. So I like to start all three at once and just get that first fold the same, which you'll use to fold the rest of the paper. So make careful folds so that they're even and that you don't start to go off at an angle. Once all three pieces are folded, you want to bend them in the middle. So make sure that they match evenly at the top and give it a good sharp crease. Do this for each one. Now you're going to round each edge to make just the end of the petal a little bit rounded. So use a sharp pair of scissors and just cut a little rounded edge through all of the folds. And do this on each end. Now use double stick tape to tape the petals together to form a circle. Use a very narrow piece of double stick tape and stick it towards the top of one side of your fan folded petals and use that to stick the petals together. Give it a tight squeeze. And that's how we're going to form the circle. So now go through and just tape all of the loose edges together to form your circle. When the circle is done, take a piece of floral wire and turn a loose loop at the very end, and then thread the wire into the button. And you can use the pliers to twist the end around just to hold it in place. Now we're going to thread the wire down through the center of our flower. Now to hold the button in place, we're going to just add some thick white craft glue all around the paper on the center. Put the button back in place. And once it's dry, you're finished. Please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss an episode.